Now, in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, the state has been granted permission to cross-examine Makhosonke Zungu on his alleged statement. The ruling follows a defense objection, which argued the state could not rely solely on the statement. Zungu is accused of attending a meeting at the Vosloorus hostel where Senzo Meyiwa's murder was allegedly planned. 5 men are on trial for his 2014 killing. Newzroom Afrika's Minisi has more.
It's a tussle about the contents of the statement in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Makhosonke Zungu, who is alleged to have attended a gathering at the Vosloorus hostel where the murder of footballer Senzo Meyiwa was purportedly planned, claims he was unaware of the contents of the statement when he signed it. He further told the court that his status as a state witness only changed when prosecutors read the statements to him for the first time during consultations, adding that he did not agree with some of the details contained in it. To test this, the state decided to put it on record, reading details that allege that after September, Zungu met up with his uncle, who is also a state witness, Senzo Zungu, before they headed to the Vosloorus hostel, where they met the alleged lookout man, Minisi, and had fun with their homeboys. But there is another layer. Makhosonke alleges that he met with his uncle in 2017, while Senzo testified that it happened in 2014.
And do you agree with me, the manner in which you met Senzo Zungu in your own version in 2017, it is exactly how you met him in 2014 as well?
Hi, I'm
putting it to you.
No, I don't know that. I never met him in 2014.
Makhosonke is adamant that he was in Rustenburg on the day that Meyiwa was killed. His uncle Senzo, who is also a police constable, previously told the court that the atmosphere was jovial, with singing and dancing and consumption of alcohol, before the accused later disappeared in the evening. In his testimony, Makhosonke said they bought cans of beer and a bottle of whiskey before going to the hostel in 2017. The state then referred to a statement believed to have been taken by the lead investigator, Brigadier Bongani Kininda, which indicates that the alleged opponent had been drinking and was enjoying himself.
Did you inform Brigadier Kininda that you were drinking and enjoying yourself?
That I never said. I was only asked about the alcohol that we were drinking, and I was asked as to who bought the alcohol. I said it was me, and it was asked. I was asked whether it was cash or I used a card. I then mentioned that I used a card. It was a card payment.
So how will a Brigadier Kininda know that you sometimes drink alcohol?
I think, as I've said, that I mentioned that on arrival, I bought alcohol in 2017, not in 2014.
Senzo further testified that when the accused returned to the hostel, they handed over firearms to his other nephew, Kwabini. He alleged that the alleged lookout man, Minisi, then took out a bottle of whiskey and asked whether anyone had heard that Meyiwa had died. This is what the state believes was a celebratory proclamation, but allegations that are denied by the accused. In another part of his testimony, Makhosonke said he only heard about the alleged involvement of some of the accused in 2020 from his uncle, who told him that he had been appointed as part of the investigating team. According to the statement, it was only after his weekend visit to the hostel.
I then received a call from my uncle, in open brackets, Senzo Zungu, who informed me that there was a discussion which took place indicating that Minisi, Mafikantanzi, Nkani, Sifiso Ntuli, and Simpiwe Buthelezi were somehow involved in the murder of Senzo Meyiwa.
Now, as I said, that with regards to the statement, there was this disagreement about what was contained in the statement. With regards this which is contained in here or written here, it's yes, something that we spoke about personally at the engine garage. But that which I said is not contained in here.
Proceedings continue on Friday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Minisi.